Hey everyone, it's Farris, Tarazi Fine Homes in the States. Welcome to the Lazy Laura Ranch. If you're looking for a single-story, custom-built estate that offers 6 bedrooms, nearly 4,700 square feet of living space, a fully permitted detached 1,000 square foot 2-bedroom guest house, a 2,400 square foot workshop, a 40-panel solar system paid in full included with the house, a 5-stall 1,800 square foot barn, all situated on a 10-acre lot with breathtaking mountain views, this may be for you. Let's go on in, check it out. Welcome home through the custom wrought iron front door that offers a formal dining area, a massive entertainer's great room that offers high ceilings, crown molding all around, and expansive windows that showcases the gorgeous views and offers plain natural lighting, a family room with the gas rock wall fireplace and in-ceiling surround sound speakers, a reading area with another wood-burning rock wall fireplace and a mantle, backyard access, travertine floors, an area for the pool table, and a gourmet chef's kitchen with a built-in double-wide fridge, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a massive center island with Taj Mahal polished counters, pendant lighting, and bar stool seating. Welcome to the fully permitted 1,000 square foot guest house that offers a full kitchen, dining area, gorgeous views, 2 spacious bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, a laundry room, and an attached 3-car garage. Relax in your complete private and quiet backyard that showcases a stucco covered patio, a pergola with built-in barbecue, a fully hardscape patio with pavers, a sauna, and a fully enclosed hot tub room with breathtaking sunset views. The 1,800 square foot barn offers a patio, lighting, 5 stalls, a tack room, and corrals for equestrian use. Oh, an additional 3rd guest house for those that don't behave. Thank you so much for watching this tour of Lazy Laura Ranch. For more information, for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters.